How to get the Play Store back on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, after which tap on the settings application on your device. Now scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Here tap on manage apps, and as you search for manage apps, tap on the search bar and search for Play Store or Google Play Store. So just search for Google Play Store over here and tap on it. So a lot of times the option of not getting the Play Store back on your Android is due to the fact that you have disabled the option. So as you can see at the bottom, you have the option of disable. So whenever you disable the application, you will not be able to see the application on your home screen or on your screen. So you just have to enable this option if you have disabled it, and you'll be able to get the Play Store back on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.